Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to mute microphone on your laptop. So in order to mute microphone on your laptop, you can either use a functional key, the F8 functional key, and if you press it and the orange light appears on the indicator on this button, that means that your microphone is muted. If nothing happens, then you have to press the combination of the F1 button. Let me see if I can show it to you. So you gotta press the F1 button and the left shift button at the same time, and then try using the F8 button once again and see if it works. Alternatively, you can turn off your microphone by opening the start menu, go into settings, then Bluetooth and devices section on the left side of your window, and then go to the devices, then open sound, and here select your microphone, and to turn it off select don't allow right here. To turn it back on, click allow. And that's how you can mute your microphone on this laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.